Every child is unique, and so are parenting skills. Parents always dwell in a state of conflict. What should I do to make my kiddo successful? How should my parenting affect my child in a better way? Am I doing my job correctly? Can I do something more to help my child better? Every child is unique, and so are parents and their parenting skills. Here are 10 things parents of successful kids have in common. High expectations. Studies say 96% of students who did well on standardized tests were expected to perform good by their parents, and parents could convey the same without creating any performance pressure in their young ones. A higher social-economic status. The higher the income for the parents, the higher the set scores for their kids. This motivates them to perform better. Higher education. Studies suggest mothers who finished high school or college were more likely to raise the kids that did the same. Offer sensitive caregiving. Active efforts in early parent-child relationship may result in long-term stability that accumulates across individuals' life. Provide early academic skills. Skills grasping is much higher at early development age. Teaching child early math skills predict not only future math achievements but also suggest the future reading achievement. Developing certain quick calculation and analytic techniques help kids perform better in competitive exams. Spending quality time with kids. Yes, you heard me right. It's quality time that is of prime importance, not quantity. Quality time with your kids may help them develop. Also, it creates a strong bond between parent and child that will stay with them even when the children grow up. Gives importance to child's choices. Giving importance to kids' decisions, may it be as simple as choosing clothes and colors for themselves, can make them feel being trusted and valued, which in turn make them more self-confident and decisive. Help them developing at least one hobby or sport. No one can be good with only one thing. Giving importance to sport or physical training helps kids maintain fitness lifelong. Art, creativity or whatsoever hobby is not only a stress buster, but also becomes an activity which can lifelong protect you from loneliness in any adverse circumstances as well. Doing things you love can never be a waste of time, rather it becomes a medium to attain happiness. Teach growth mindset. Success is about being your best self, not about being a better than others. Failure is an opportunity, not a condemnation. Effort is the key to success. Growth mindset welcomes challenges, attacks obstacles, values effort as a way to success, embraces criticism, celebrates and learns from the success of others. Never try to be friends with the child. You may not agree at first, but yes, you heard me precise. Parents have altogether a different role to play when it comes to child care. A friend is the one with whom you can share all your toys, books and feelings. In bargain you teach them and learn from them lot of things. In friendship both parties should weigh equal. One cannot hold higher authority, else there cannot be equal acceptance and self-learning. Parents hold comparatively respectable position, an ideal, an authority in life from whom child learns, adapts and accepts dreams, ambition, and zeal to prove themselves. When parents allow children to be with their peers, make good friends, it makes them capable of learning practical aspects of life. Parenting is a job of facilitator to build your child's future. Make it or break it is entirely up to you. Hope this video helps you choose appropriate approach. Gift your child a happy, healthy childhood, building successful adulthood. Thanks for watching.